Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Like I said in my last video, it's the Harmattan season. Okay, so I would like to give you 6 easy steps on how you can keep your locks and your natural hair healthy this Harmattan season. The Harmattan season is the time of the year where it gets really dry and dusty in this part of Africa. So if you don't want your hair to suffer from this dryness, stay tuned. So the first tip is moisture. You need to moisturize your hair this period, and the best way to moisturize your hair is with water and using any natural oil of your choice to seal in those moisture, either coconut oil or olive oil, whichever natural oil you prefer. Now, I cannot overemphasize on how much you need to moisturize on a daily. Now, not every other day, every day. Okay, use water, use oils to seal in the moisture on your hair. Okay, not too much oil though, so as not to attract too much dust, please. Okay, keep your locks, keep your hair hydrated. And the second tip will be deep conditioning. Okay, so truth be told, your hair will lose moisture faster than you will rinse them. That's why you need to deep condition. Okay, you could use hot oil treatment, whatever deep conditioning method you use that works best for you. It's fine, but just try and deep condition your hair. Okay, so that's for the second tip. And then the third tip, sleep with a protective scarf. I know it's not an easy step, but try and sleep with a protective scarf. Use a sleep cap or a seal cap to cover your hair. Not cotton though, just cover your hair when you sleep. These steps requires discipline to do this. So if you can, believe me, your hair will thank you for it. So number 4 tip will be to take it easy with the styling and the retwisting this period, because this period your hair falls out and break out faster. So try to keep your hands off your hair this period as much as you can. Okay, so that's it for the number 4 tip. So the number 5 tip, avoid the dust as much as you can this period. Too much dust will result to dull looking locks and dirt trapped in your locks, which can lead to build up, and we don't want that. Okay, so if you know you're going to be out in the dust for a long period of time, try to get yourself a nice piece of covering, okay, to protect your locks, to protect your natural hair from the dust. That's it. The final tip will be a protective style. You need to put your hair, your locks in a protective style. Putting your hair in a protective style will help retain moisture and will also help less manipulation, basically. Okay, so my own protective style is putting my locks in a bun or do a 2-strand twist. So whatever protective style you prefer, just try to keep your locks in a protective style, keep your hair in a protective style this period, so you don't manipulate them too much. So that's the easy steps I have for you to help keep your locks healthy this Harmattan period. Until next time, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.